Hi, my name is Kat. I am a community outreach dietitian here in Southwest Florida, and today I'm at the Oaks Welcome Center at Cypress Cove. I will be making a delicious recipe today. It is a cherry banana ice cream. All right, we're gonna start with 4 frozen bananas. Your bananas absolutely have to be frozen. That's what's gonna give this the creamy consistency that ice cream has. Next, we're gonna add in our frozen cherries. For some extra flavor, we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract, just a little pinch. And we're gonna add a little bit of almond extract. Okay. And now we will go ahead and process this. Let's go ahead and stop this. You may have to stop it a couple times just to scrape down the sides. The almond extract brings a really nice flavor to this dessert. So at this point, once everything is blended together, we're gonna add some chocolate chips. And I had some cacao nibs I wanted to use up, so we're gonna add some cacao nibs. So because the bananas were a little bit melted, we didn't have to add any milk or almond milk. But if the bananas are really frozen, you may have to add a little bit of liquid to kind of get everything blended together and break down the bananas. But this is definitely delicious. You can put this in the freezer, and before serving, I would just take it out maybe 10 minutes beforehand to let it thaw out.
I hope you enjoyed the cooking demonstration you just saw. It took place in our model kitchen here at the Oaks Welcome Center for Cypress Cove. The Welcome Center is open, and we invite you to visit us here to learn more about the new neighborhood, the Oaks at Cypress Cove.